Hello there and welcome to the Mobile Academy. And if you want to become a job ready Flutter developer, make sure to check out the courses on my website mobileacademy.io. Here you will find all of the courses related to the Flutter development. You will find the professional course as well as the basic course related to the Flutter. You can also find some of the free courses over here if you want to just go and try it out, or if you are just a beginner on the Flutter and then the React Native, you can also find the free course over here. And if you would like to be a full stack developer, we also have the course related to the full stack developer, related to the Node.js, Express, MongoDB, as well as the Flutter over here. And if you would like to join the Flutter bootcamp, there is also a bootcamp course over here. So make sure to go and check out the course over here. There are free and then the paid course. And if you want to be a job ready Flutter developer, this is the course that you want to take. So see you guys on the next lesson. Till then, have a great day. Now let us try to see how we can send a patch request. And for that, what we'll do is we'll just copy this particular function and let's just go and paste it below over here. And it will be to update, right? So we need to update the tags over here, and we require to send the body as well as we need to send a string of the ID. So which ID or which ID that we are going to send, and update that particular and the tags record. And here we need to just remove this one as the patch, and in the patch we have this particular endpoint. That is perfectly fine. This is correct one. And then we also need to send the body. That is also perfectly fine. So if you go and take a look onto the Postman over here, we have this particular endpoint, and then we need to send this particular ID. So let's just go back over here, and here we also need to send, we need to send that particular ID over here, right? So that will be the ID that we need to send, and then the body. So if you go back to the Postman again over here, so that is the body we need to send. And then what we need to do is the response type that we are getting. So let's just go and take a look. We are getting the ID tags day reminder created and updated. So that's just I guess you can remove it. Obviously that is not a big issue over here. So we have a status and then the data. So let's just go and take a look into the tags response that we have. We have the status and then the data. Both of them are nullable, and also the result and request time are both of the nullable type. So that is perfectly fine for us. So that should not give us any error in case if these two are missing over here. And then we have this particular ID, the text day reminder created and updated, and that all of those fields are required field. I guess we are sending that as a response. We are sending that should be perfectly fine. So I guess that should be perfectly fine, and we just have to change it to the patch request and then just return the result. We are using the isolate over here, and I guess that's fine for us for now. So let's do how we can go and delete on the record on the next video. Till then, have a great day. Now let us try to go and see how we can send a delete request over here. So for that, I'll just go and copy the same thing from here. Let's just go and paste it below over here. So this will be to delete the tags over here, right? So delete the tags, and we just need to send the ID over here, and this will be of the delete request over here. And let's just go and remove the body part, so we don't require a body part over here, and the API version 1 tags and then the ID with a delete request. And we'll just go and remove all of this from here. We are not going to require that, and the response that we are going to send from this one will be of the bool, right? So we are just going to send whether true or false from here. Since if you go to the Postman and if you send a delete request, you are just going to get the 204 as a status over here. You are not going to get any of the response. So for that, we will go back over here and we need to send that. So we'll just go and check for the response that we have dot the status code. So it should give us the status code over here, and if the status code is of equals to the 204, right? So that was what we are going to get it. If it was successful, we'll go and send it true. Otherwise we are going to send it as a false. And if there is an error, we are going to catch it through the do exception over here, and we are going to throw it. So that should be perfectly fine for us. We don't require some of the complex code over here for now. In case in a coming up lesson we may go and come and refactor this code, but for now I guess this should be perfectly fine. We just need to pass in the ID that we are going to delete it, and then we are going to send a do the delete request with that particular ID. So that's all for this lesson, and hope you got how we can use all of those. And next task will be to create a repository and make use all of those these APIs. And if you are familiar with the repositories patterns, so you can just go and continue creating that. If not, then we'll see and how to do all of the stuff in our coming up lessons. Till then, have a great day.